Hi, my name is Jane, and I'm a recruitment sourcer.
Hello, guys. I am Raymond. I'm a video editor at GoTeam.
Hi, my name is Janeline, and I am a QA engineer at GoTeam based in Cebu, Philippines.
So the course is about a book by Stephen Covey. It's the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and it was facilitated by our founder, Matt. So I believe the course was really insightful and practical. It is principle-centered, character-based, and an inside-out approach to our personal and interpersonal effectiveness. So the first 3 habits was classified as the private victory. It is a guide for self-development, while the next 3 habits is about public victory. It helps us with our interpersonal relationship. And the final habit encourages us to practice our self-renewal because it is only by taking care of ourselves physically, mentally, socially, and spiritually enables us to become effective and become a better version of ourselves.
So, the most impactful topic for me from our 7 Habits training was the man at the train with his kids. The situation was the man came with his kids. The kids were very noisy, and the other people who are in the bus were really irritated with the kids because the kids were very noisy and all. And the father was really sad. The mother of the kids just died, and everyone in the train didn't know that. That's why the kids are noisy and all. So it was a very good teaching moment for me. The paradigm shift. Because if you're put in an unexpected situation, like good or bad situation, effectiveness is really tested. And you have to pause first, understand the situation before reacting to it. And it's like a ding light bulb moment for me for that topic.
The day that I completed the course, it felt so satisfying being able to know how to behave in effective ways through applying the habits I just learned. I felt like I was way better than a person who initially enrolled, and I felt proud for finishing the course along with its opportunity. Thank you, Matt, for that.